calling each other that term, and I was like, at first he was on the phone with him, and I thought he was talking to his black friend. And then we went and met him, and he was talking to his white friend. So it's not just black people using that word as a term of endearment.
I would be happy if no one used the word as a term of endearment. All I'm saying is that white teenager, that white 20-something should learn that, yes, you can listen to the music, yes, you can hear those words, but it doesn't mean you have to repeat them, because the truth is, they can turn that music down and pull their pants up, and why are white people fighting so fiercely for the right to use the N-word? Just let it go.
Don Lemon, you should see everyone in the studio here sort of reacting to this conversation. I watched this conversation you had over the weekend. I mean, my goodness, the word is powerful. It's toxic. You're going there tonight.
I am. I'm going there tonight, and I'm going to say this word on television, right?
Oof.
And I'm not sure at this time of the day, but, you know, you appeared there. But you know what? Here's the thing, Brooke. I just went out, just left the streets, talking to people. You'll hear a little bit of it. But there is a distinct difference for some kids, especially young people, between that word and that word. I mean, to most of us, hey, it's kind of the same thing. But young people make a distinction. This one is a term of endearment.